Recovering deleted messages on Spotify can be challenging as the platform does not have a built-in feature for message recovery. However, you can try the following steps to see if you can retrieve your messages. Step 1. Check your email notifications. Look for any email notifications from Spotify regarding messages or activity. Sometimes, important messages may be sent to your email, allowing you to recover the information. Step 2. Review your Spotify activity. Open the Spotify app and navigate to your activity or notifications section. If you had any interactions related to the messages, you might find relevant information now. Step 3. Contact Spotify support. Reach out to Spotify's customer support for assistance. They may have access to your account history and could help you recover any lost messages. Step 4. Check linked social media accounts. If you linked your Spotify account to social media, check those platforms for any messages or notifications related to your Spotify interactions. Step 5. Regularly back up important messages. In the future, consider taking screenshots or saving important messages to avoid losing them. Regular backups can help you keep track of your interactions. In conclusion, while recovering deleted messages on Spotify may not always be possible, these steps can help you explore potential options. Always remember to keep important information backed up for future reference.